Project Horizon definitely demonstrates the best of Avanade in ASG. We're talking about a major program of change for one of the world's leading banks. Avanade has a direct relationship with Deutsche Bank going back some time now, and the team has been engaged since 2008. The job has gone incredibly well so far. We've had tremendous feedback from the client. The client satisfaction has been excellent. Overall, it's really one of the success stories of ASG.
In late 2009, Deutsche Bank started Project Horizon. To put it simply, Project Horizon is a global initiative of the customer to migrate its legacy Lotus Notes applications to the Microsoft platform, to be more specific, to SharePoint 2010. But beside all the project work, we were faced with one additional challenge, and this is what this video is all about.
Okay guys, I suggest we put together a small slide deck. Let's do brainstorming, collect some bullet points. We're just a team, we are a team of rockstars. Everyone has his own topic, he knows his stuff, and I think this is extremely important why we're still here at this customer and why this customer is so satisfied with us. So what else do we have?
Important for us is to have clear roles and responsibilities.
It's of great importance that you don't create single points of failure that way. For each topic, there must be a backup in the team. There are several strategies to minimize the risk. At least 2 guys do the same job. Close interaction and frequent team meetings also create awareness. In our team, for each big topic, there's always a lead and a backup named, thus allowing us to have vacation. Not as much as they want though. But the most important benefit is that we can keep the business running, no matter what happens. This is what the customer can rely on.
Expectation management and exceeding customers' expectations.
One of our tasks was to implement the SharePoint Foundation 2010 branding so that the user interface better fits into Deutsche Bank design guidelines. It was clear that the branding development will be a quite iterative process. I think what our customer liked here was that we always told him what can be done and what cannot be done already in an early stage. And he also liked the management summary with it in the end. Just some piece of paper he can easily give away in case someone raises a question on the branding.
It's our responsibility to introduce value-adding solutions. For example, we showed him possibilities how he can deploy a massive number of farms in a standardized way.
Of course, there's always a contract that defines clearly what the customer is paying for. But I think it's always better to do a bit more. One needs to understand what's driving the customer's business and act accordingly. Look ahead and think how one could add value to the customer's business. Don't think too narrow. Look at all aspects that make the whole.
Also, we are recognized as trusted advisor at the customer side.
What our customer really likes about working with us is our broad and deep knowledge in Microsoft technologies. Whenever he has a question about SharePoint or another product, he comes to us. He knows that we are available and willing to help. He has the confidence that the suggestions we make are suitable for his environment because we know its limitations and requirements.
Long-term thinking? Propose the customer solutions which will benefit his business in the long run.
The most important thing is to maintain a long-lasting customer relationship. You have to understand what the customer wants. However, you need to be honest with the customer and tell if it's good or not a good idea. A short win is not what we want.
We need to clearly understand the limitations and strengths of the product to provide an advisory benefit. It is also important to stay focused on the scope.
We need technical excellence on the slides, or name it, passion for technology.
A good advisor has to be aware of all side effects possible by technical decisions. Therefore, it's crucial to understand the customer's infrastructure and the technology in use. At the beginning of the project, the customer had an unpatchable SharePoint running, thus preventing him from updating his platform. Our team realized the true nature of the problem and solved it by doing a complete rework of the existing solution. This was a lot of work, but the customer was so pleased and impressed that the name Avanade now stands for SharePoint Knowledge. This makes us a center of excellence within the bank.
The C2C reference from Shell was essential for us. Now Deutsche Bank is a C2C reference for us. Now Deutsche Bank is very impressed by the work we do for them, and they are available as a C2C reference for us to win deals at other customers. Okay guys, thank you. Back to work.